Irrigation installs, also known as sprinkler system installations, are one of the many services we provide. Now, when it comes to your irrigation systems, you can have a bundled package, which would be the lawn and the landscape as being installed, or you can just have just the lawn or just the landscape. You can provide either one of those. Some of the highlights that go along with your irrigation installations are the control panels. These control panels nowadays can be Wi-Fi compatible, which means you can run them from a smartphone or from any device that's smart with the application. You can also have a smart control panel where it can automatically detect if it's going to rain today and when to run based on certain schedules. Another component to our irrigation department is the repair department. Whether it's an existing installation done by somebody else or an install that was done by TenderCare, it doesn't really matter. We service them all. So if it's a leaking head, maybe an example of a repair, a pipe that may be leaking, a backflow preventer may be leaking, the control panel doesn't work, it doesn't operate or function like it should be, let our repair department take care of it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to visit our Facebook page, give us a thumbs up to stay current with all the latest and greatest videos and news that we have coming out. Also, be sure to check out our website at tendercarelawnservice.com or call our office at 337-313-3002. And just remember, we shake the hand, we look you in the eye, and we want to do business with you.